Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Mr. TechFox. Today I'll show you how to create a new user in Windows. First, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Next, click on Accounts. Then go to Family and Other Users. Now click Add someone else to this PC. You will be prompted to enter the new user's email address. If you don't want to use an email, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Follow the remaining prompts, set a username and password, and you are done. After adding the new user, they will have their own login, settings, and files separate from your account. You can also set restrictions and controls if needed. And that's how you create a new user in Windows. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thank you.